Morning, everybody. My lack of sleep is for your benefit. I'm not sleeping much today. Got up at 4, couldn't go back to sleep, so here we sit. Hopefully, I'll be able to help you all out today. I think we will. All right. Oh, 83. What is today's date? The 19th? Thursday. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're looking for call outs, you're in the wrong time. I'm probably not going to make any or very few call outs. This is going to be a lot of going over why the calls were made yesterday type Vegas. We're still in Vegas. Down to our last week. All right. I think we're all set. Let's go over to here. Are we live on TikTok? Yes, I think we are. I only have 2 trades open. I kept trading yesterday. I kept getting into the NAS and SPX, and then Bree and I went running around, and I didn't get back into it. It kept tapping me in profit. But I only have 2 trades open. No complaints. These are 2 of my trades from yesterday. Well, we'll get to that later. Built up the account. I think we started at 15. It's either 12 or 15 in this one. Might have been a little less. Might have been 10. I don't remember what account was. Anywho, we have 2 trades open, gold and AUD-USD. We'll get to those later. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Jim Como. Good morning, user 29. Let's see. Let's say good mornings to our people over here. Let's see. I don't even know where we're at. So we have to go. No, these are the yesterday ones. Fuck. Hold on. Let me see if there's anybody on YouTube. I think there is. Maybe I'm not live. I don't know. Fuck. Oh yeah, there's a good number of you here. Fuck. Why is that not showing on? Restream. Doc. Let me see. There's that maybe. Good morning. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Vladis. We're still in Vegas. All right, let's see what's going on. Screen 2. Share. And there we go. Okay, now let's see if we can get the chat. Shit. There isn't any chat? Yeah, but I saw you guys saying hi. Let's see. Good morning. I'll say hi. Why is it not showing on? Whoa. Why isn't the chat working on YouTube? What the fuck? View on YouTube, view on Twitch. Why isn't the chat from oh boy. That's fine. We'll go back to the old-fashioned way. I'll look at it over here. Let's see. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Jones808. Good morning, JTF6. Good morning, Mike, by the way, Mike Jones. Good morning, Mr. C. What's up, Mr. C? Good morning, Pelly8. I agree. God bless. Here for the worms, right, baby? Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. I think, oh, nope, there's more. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Thumbs up on the like button on YouTube. Appreciate that. All right. I think we're good on everybody. All right. Let me get this legal mumbo jumbo out of the way. We are the only trading system in the world that has a trademark, yay, specifically issued to myself and my wife, coaching in the field of building general wealth through stock trading. And a few people out there are confused. This is a legal document, forcible for all the names inside the safety trade system. We also have a provisional patent, which is also a legal enforceable document that we do enforce. So you can't make things look like you can't rename things to be like this. If you haven't been sued already, you will be sued. We have one in court, and we'll sue your ass. So no big deal. Type form. We do have a legal disclaimer inside of our rules. We're not financial advisors. I'm not a financial advisor. Hey, speaking of that, where's all my little? Hey, where's my drawing stuff at? Why did this shut down? There we go. There we go. All right, now let's get this up. There we go. Now let's put this back over here. Get this up here. All right. So we're not financial advisors. Not financial advisors. You must conduct your own due diligence. Trade only demo like me. I'm just a social media influencer. You're an adult. Make your own damn adult decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Please type yes if you understand those three things. Legally protected, not a financial advisor. We only trade green arrow, red up, green up arrow, red down. Look at it go up. Look at this. Wait till you guys see this. Morning. Morning, Larry. Thank you for the yes, Trade Gun. Good morning, Trade. Thank you for the yes, Mr. C. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for who's ever on TikTok and YouTube. I'm not going to enforce that this morning. I'm going to go over these purple line call outs you see right here. And I sent certain things out by email. This one was email. And this one was Discord. You can see the email was amazingly accurate. This is what went out. This is so we're clear. We have an email sign up at thesafetytrade.com. We're currently at 1,201 grouping and 114 at another. So we have 1,300 emails. I did not know Stan was limiting my emails. So they weren't allowing people to go over 1,100 for over a year and a half with them. Well, my bad, 2 years with them. I was like, what the fuck? So the great Keith Palmer was able to code was able to code a workaround, and now we are getting new emails added on. So we have record number of emails we're emailing to. And if you'd sign up for your email alerts right here, A, you'll never miss a live. That's how you get an email from me. And B, you would have gotten over 1,200 people got this message yesterday. And let me be clear on what this message said. Email Discord and the Discord, which we have 700 people in there, so we have about 2,000 people we contact every day. Email and Discord, free re-entry signal called for buys on SPX, NAS, US30, um, demo only, FOMC bullshit, 9/18/12, and this is the Forex time. So literally, this was a free signal given to everybody in the Discord, everybody in the email service, so basically everybody that has the system, 2,000 people. I'm sorry, some of you don't have it. Roughly speaking, we know 1,100 of you, so that's probably well, we're missing so many. No, I'm gonna stand by that. There's probably about 2,000 people have the system. At any rate, this email went out to you all right here. I told you to take a re-entry on the buy, and if you would add up, and it's gone up since I've been talking here, by the way, um, it's been crazy accurate. You're up over 600 pips on SPX. You're up over 600 pips on NAS. Total combine all 3 of these at US30. It is absolutely stunningly incredible. So what does that mean to you? Well, it means, that you should listen to my emails, um, demo trade only. This is the, one I posted in the Discord, and inside our Discord, we have this channel, do not share. Inside of here, we have I remember to ask Keith for Kim. Right here, I said, "Play any" yesterday at 6:14 PM in the evening, Eastern Standard Time. "Play any buy stop on NAS, SPX, US30 until their 15, 30-second blue lines are hit and towards their 1-minute blue lines." Right after I said that, about 30 minutes later, okay, I gotta admit, I'm shocked at how fast and hard they all went up. Oh my goodness. Anyhow, I posted one in the signal room for you guys right here. I posted one in the Discord, throughout and in the emails, both of which you can clearly see nailed it on all 3 indices. So again, I hope did any of you out there listening now listen to any of these, um, 3 signals I gave out yesterday? Anyone at all? 7s if you did, 9s? No, how about 7s if you did? Morning, Martin. Morning, Ruben. Morning, Larry again, Mr. C. Morning, Carol again. Good morning, D. Haas. Did anyone oh, Trade Gun did. Yay. How awesome is that? Because this is I'm almost getting to the point where, like, am I just talking to myself when I send these signals out? I'm trying to help each and every one of you. Every time I'm sending a signal lately, it's been a huge, huge, massive hit. Gotta thank God for that. By the way, how's the sound on YouTube? Is that okay with you guys this morning? The VIP room's just for people who subscribe to the Signal service. You don't get the room unless you subscribe to the Signal service. Correctamundo. That's a big negative. You just don't get things for nothing. Well, actually, you do, but you don't get that kind of stuff for nothing. There is a VIP room just for the people who have the signals. Correct. Sound is fine. I was hoping for sound is great, but fine is good. Oh, good, Mr. C, Larry. All right, cool. 'Cause I'm trying to give you guys all these signals I can. We have a signal service. I tried to send out a free one here or there. This was easy after the FOMC. That was a joke. They couldn't explain why the FOMC, they lowered the interest rates and things shot up. First of all, what a scam. Here, let me a lot of you guys have been trading well. As soon as 2 o'clock came around, price shot up, okay? With he didn't even speak and price shot up. Think about that for a second. Who here thinks that's total BS? And it always the same thing. As soon as 2 o'clock comes, price either goes up or down with any news, whether it's 2 o'clock or 8:30. They haven't even spoke yet. They haven't even spoke yet, and yet price rocketed up. Tell me that's not a scam of the century. There was no word spoken. We all knew the leak, blah, blah, blah. That's not the point. The point is that the quote, unquote "news" every time they have news, as soon as it turns 8:30, there's no word spoken if it's an 8:30 news, PPI. Did anyone ever think about this, CPI? There's no nothing. FOMC poll. There was nothing spoken, and yet it already shot. Does anyone ever think about that and how they're scamming the people already know, the people who have insider knowledge? Let me put it as nicely as I can. Hello? Anyone ever think about that? Ellie says, "Okay, I'll subscribe." You don't have to, Ellie, that's fine. It's there if you need it. Don't get it if you don't want it. Larry Cooper says, "I have." Yeah, what a scam. As soon as the news well, how do they know? They don't know. No one else knows. We don't know. Well, it's 'cause of the Safe Street system we know, but other than that, we didn't know. 100% East Side, correct. Yeah, some of you never really thought about that, and when I was talking to my beautiful wife about that Bree, I said, "Well, how the fuck are these fuckers knowing for second if anything ever occurs?" There's not even a word spoken. You know, the interest rate went up, interest rate down. We didn't know. Whatever. So anyway, system called for a buy stop. I'll explain how why I called for a buy stop yesterday, by the way, before 4 or 5 hours before it came out with the FOMC. I told you that I would expect a pull down, and then it came back up. They jerked it down and then pulled it up. Exactly like I said. I wanted a slower one too also. They did drop it a little before then, but they pulled it up also. But then I told you as soon as it came down, I knew they were gonna do that bullshit with the pull down, get back in it again, called that out for you guys through email and Discord, and then again, I gave you out the, Discord one right here. Yep, yep. Yeah, scary. I guess most people, for some unknown reason, don't think of things like that. We just think it's fair. There's nothing fair about the system. It isn't. We give an insider advantage, don't we? What's not fair is they have all the inside information, and all the big boys make their money. They knew where it was gonna go. The difference is now we can kinda even the playing field. Alright? So again, we're gonna go over these 2 call outs, why I made them, kinda gave you a heads up, and I'm gonna give you a call out of why I was able to play FOMC when I wasn't even on. I literally was playing the FOMC in the Discord for you guys, the regular one. Where were we yesterday? Was it the trade recap room? Well, this guy right here deserves a pat on the back. Look at Breathe Forex, LT. LT, are you on this morning? He traded 2 symbols, 2 time frames that kinda don't go together anymore, but that's still perfect. I was so proud of him. And then he kinda missed the 3 and the 4 right here, but I'm still so proud of him. He counted out his reasons, he took it in, I wanna go over what he did too. This is I'm so proud of LP. Couldn't be prouder. He took 3 open trades, closed 2 down, kept 1 open, and now he's running over 300 pips. Wow. He showed 2 charts, he showed his markup, he showed you why he took it. I'll go over, he shoulda did 1, 2 with the blue 3 and then the 4 buy stop, then counted out the rest, but he had the logo right here. He had everything. I'm so proud of him. This is the best marked up chart I've seen probably ever on our Discord. So, we'll go over his thing. Very proud of him. Trying to find out where I was trying to help you guys. Yeah, this is it. I think we're in here. To be clear, before the news today, yeah, that's one of them. DZ Zalton made money. A lot of you made money. Okay, so this is where the people are making money. This is in the Discord too, the trade recap picks. I don't know why we were talking there just then. Okay, this is before FOMC, about 26 minutes. Again, please close down your order if you're in profit for the news and let one run. Lock in profit, let it run. Then if they do a stupid fast pull down with the news, look for another entry when they snap it down. In fact, don't even play this. People were pissing me off while they were doing it. But this is exactly if they do a stupid fast pull down with the news, look for another entry when they snap it down. Does that sound pretty specific to you? And then what did they do? This is my call out right before about 25 minutes before FOMC, and then what did they do? Let's go all the way down. You notice I spiced up the, let me see if we can get that far back, I don't know. Let me go to maybe a 30-seconder. I spiced up the little, 10 5-second, 10-second, 15-second scanner. It's so cute. Alright. Nope. This one. 'Kay. Now, here is my call out, but I wanna show you something. Watch this. We're gonna go back. Let me see if I can get to a 15-seconder. They limit you how much history you can get. Let me just see real quick. Na, na, na. Aha. Okay. I have no idea, right around this is after, so this is the aftermath. Oh, there we go. Alright. This is my call after for you guys. And I want you to look at something right here. You guys are gonna laugh your fucking ass off. Da, 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 da. They didn't fill my order until the market had moved around that. That's correct. Harjeet, you gotta be in it before, or I don't know how you can maybe play a Nadex or something. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, JTF6 again. Good morning, Pelly. Yeah, they'll screw you. They'll fulfill all orders before yours, and then you've already lost 90 pips, correct. But this is the beautiful thing about the system. It told you ahead of time. Let me see something here. Watch this. We're gonna watch this playback right here. We're gonna watch this playback live of this candle, and I'm gonna show you how they do this. Invalid symbol. Whoa, what? Yo, what are you talking about invalid symbol? Hold on. Let's see something. Yeah, either lock in profit. There we go. Okay, so let's go back again. We're gonna select the bar again. We're gonna go back to here. And then we're gonna go here. Now let's take a look. Isn't that cool? I didn't know we can change all these colors on here. I'm gonna have so much fun. I made the name smaller on the table. Keith is the best. All right, let's go ahead and go 1/10 speed. Let's play this and let's watch this candle when it opens with the news. Just watch what they do to it. I might have to slow it up even more. You see what they did? So they brought that. I'm gonna have to slow it up even more. They brought it down so fast. Now you're inside of here. Now you're inside of this candle. This is a 15-second candle. So they shot it down and brought it up almost instantaneously. They got everyone's stop losses or tried to. They didn't pick mine and then re-entered. But inside of this candle, You could have re-entered again while it was happening. I know it happened so fast, it seems like it was a blur, but that's not true. Um, let me go back now, let me do it again. You guys have to understand, let me see if I can go to a different, can I make this a 5 second, 10 second? I don't know what they're gonna let me to do when I've already, yeah, we might be able to do this. Let's go to 5 seconds. No shit. Right, let me see if we can get this candle right after that. Let me see if we can get this to play back. I don't know how fast it'll go. Watch. It's so fascinating to me, the scams they run. So they're gonna pop it down. There you go. They popped it down, collect everybody's stop losses, bring it up, but you can see right here, you see, look, stop. Look, these are individual 5-second candles. So again, 5 second, 5 second, 5 second, 5 second. If you look over here, oopsie, let's get rid of that. Look over here, we'll go to like a 1 minute. Watch what it looks like. See, on your 1 minute, it looks like a blur of doom. On the 5 seconds, it, it shows you the 5 candles that went down and up. Look, that's your wick here on the 1 minute. And then inside this 1 minute candle, this is what I was trying to play with everybody for the Discord, trying to help you all get it. Inside of it, look what they did, 5 second, 5 second, 5 second. Now watch. Oh, let me help if I'm on the right thing. 5 second. I see it? See how they build the candles? Some of you said, "Oh, it only went straight up." That is not true. You would have 5 second, 10 second, 15 seconds, somewhere around here to enter in to your trade, and watch what they do even after that. Watch, it's so fascinating to me when they do this. I love this shit. Love this shit. See, same thing, dipped it down, look, dipped it down again, look, boom, popped it up again. You're still not even, well, you're approaching the 1 minute. So now we've got the complete 1 minute. This first 1 minute candle is done. Now watch what happens after this. This is so fucking cool. Watch it go. And I'm thinking, these douches aren't gonna be stupid enough to pull this shit down again. Yeah, they were. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Let me go a little faster. Let's go 3 times. Now watch. All we're looking at is NAS, FOMC right before and right after what happened. Okay. Just watching what they're doing. Look at how stupid they are. Right after this, they pull it down. Morons in the news pull it down, giving us another reentry. Look where I'm calling it, for right here. This is the email I send out to you. I said, "Hey, these doyheads are pulling it down, giving us another entry." So I sent out the email here, giving you at least 2, 3, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes to take this trade. Look, this is my call right here coming up. So look, if you'd have took the buy when I made the call on NAS, we're gonna take it. Right here, right when I said it's gonna go negative for a little bit, but watch. Look at this shit. Look how dumb they are. So they can bring it down. This is your entry coming up, and I'm gonna pause it right here. hold on, let me see where we're at with the 10-second. Yep, right here. Okay. So now this would have been your entry. You could have went over to a 30-second buy stop right here. I can come over to this chart and show you what that looks like. This would be a 30-second buy stop. Watch. Gonna that love to me. Na, 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 na. Alright, so let's show you what this looks like right here. You're gonna see when I made the call, sent out the email to you, it was a 30-second buy stop. Okay, let's keep playing. So I made the call, we're in the call I made. Now let's see what happens. Gonna make this one to me. Gonna rock your body, gonna let me alright, now we're moving along. That's cool. Alright, let's keep on moving. We're trading the trade, the email I sent out to you, we're trading it live. We are trading it live. On the left is a 30-second, on the right is a 5-second or 5-second, yeah. That's all we're doing. You could have got out at any time. It's forming another buy stop right here. You could have re-entered again. Matter of fact, I should go back to this and show you how you can enter. There's a buy on a 5-second, there's a buy on a 10-second. You're watching a playback of the FOMC trade. I should call it prior. Matter of fact, I gotta go back in when I called the buy. I wanna call it trade it there. And how do we know it was gonna go up? I'll go over the exact reasoning how we knew that was gonna be a go up and that, why they retardedly, sillily dropped it. They were just morons in the news. I have no idea why anyone would have done what they did other than to be greedy. They gave us free entrances over and over and over again. I'm just showing you the one hold. Gonna rock to me, gonna on my body. That's to me. Oh, did it kick us out? Hold on. No, not yet. We're still going. Okay. Here we go. Gonna rock on my body. Gonna rock to me. Gonna rock on my body. Gonna rock on my body and rock to me. So you'd have entry after entry. You could have entered, and I'll do that next time. I'm gonna speed this up by 10 because I forgot these 10 seconds take forever. Okay, we're watching a live playback. Oopsie. It's gonna be tough keeping the money in here, and we're watching a live playback. There's your money right here. You could have entry after entry. It's now forming like a 10, 15-minute buy stop right now. That's why there's this drop. They're giving you another time to get into the trade, multiple times to get into the trade. Let me see if we can catch it when we get our next line coming up. Did we miss the second line? No. Oh, wow, we got a way to go. And again, you could have entry after entry on different time periods. If we look right here, I'm sure there's at least gonna be a 5-minute forming. Let's see where we were at. We gotta go up further. Yeah. See, here it is. You'll see a 15-minute, 30-minute form. It's coming down now, so let's go to the 15-minute here. Yeah, there's your 15-minute buy stops, and here's the second one coming up, and that's when I called out another buy for you guys to take it. Yeah, I know 10 seconds is a little slow, sorry. Your live is flagged for hate speech and oh, get out of here. Submit feedback. Absolutely, my okay, all you haters out there, please just go away on TikTok. Just move on. Just move on. That's all I can tell you. Here you go. And we're coming up pretty soon on our actual I wish I can pull I can't pull them because it removes the things. See, I can't make this bigger. We're looking right now at a 15-minute buy stop forming live over here. This is where we are with the crossroads. This is a playback right here. I'm gonna pause it and re-enter again when I send out the next email for you guys. It was actually a Discord listing. We're coming up on it. You can clearly see with my crosshairs at both. Gonna be that body, gonna be there with me. You can see another buy stop form. Here's another 5-second buy stop form. You can see as the 15-minute is forming, there's 5-second buy again, another 5-second buy stop formed. You could have re-entered all these times. I'm just showing you the playback, then I'm gonna show you why this is called a buy before FOMC, how I called it out live yesterday morning at around 7 or 8, whatever time it was, and then how I sent out emails and discourse telling you how to replay it after it happened. This is gonna be some training video for you guys if you have patience. Yeah, right here, another buy stop forming, 5 seconds, now we have our 15-minute. Why didn't the other line pop? Yo, where's our lines at? There it is. Okay, coming up. We're about to do another entry. Live access. Oh, no way. Oh my god, these fucking morons. Hold on. TikTok can suck my ass. Hold on. Hold on. Fucking pile of fucking shit. Wow, that's alright. That's why we have backup channels for TikTok. Hold on. Fuck TikTok. I swear TikTok is you're gonna get banned. I hope TikTok gets banned in the United States of America and never comes back. Fuck you, pile of shits. Fuck you on TikTok. Fuck you on TikTok for hateful speech. Go fuck yourself. How about that for hateful speech? Dick fucking heads. You watch. TikTok's gonna be banned in the United States of America or it's gonna be bought out by Facebook. Sure. Meantime, it'll be banned in the United States of America. Pile of fucking shit. Swear to God. We get so many new people from TikTok, otherwise I wouldn't deal with those fucktards. Good riddance to you. They abuse their authority. Cocksucking fucktards. Good for you, dickheads. Who is this one? Here, I'll put up the link for you. The Real Safety Trade, Kevin Grego. That's who we are. God. I swear to God. Fucking. All right, we're back live on TikTok. Um, good morning, Janet. Good morning, Grant. Let me go over to our safety trade. I have to get back over here. If you go to TikTok, just type in the safety trade, you'll see one live. The one live safety trade is me. Just go to TikTok, type in the safety trade, it'll pull up. Good morning. Welcome back to TikTok. Swear to God. All right, we're just doing a playback on the trades from yesterday that were called out with these purple lines. You see one coming up soon right here. Let me slow this playback down for a little bit. We're already in one trade. This is going to be our boop right here. The second time I sent out the Discord memo into our private group right here, we sent it out right here telling you to please be careful, take the trade only on demo only. So we're going to do another buy. And here we go. We're back in for the 2 call outs that I made. We're playing these 2 purple call outs that I made. And I'm going to speed this up again. Let's roll. And we're going to see how things go. So these are the call outs I made. We made them right here. I sent out a free email and Discord message to 2,000 of you. And then I sent out just a Discord message right here. This is our playback right here of how much money you would or would not have. We're going to see if these 2 call outs that I made live with you guys actually made profit or not. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Welcome everybody on YouTube. What's up? It's my time. It doesn't matter if you guys head over from YouTube to TikTok. I'm good with that this morning. So these are my 2 call outs right here. Again, free signal call out to every email, 2,000. You can see the buy stops forming on the 5 seconds, fill in the gap, buy stop forming. You can see your profit or loss right now. Another fill in the gap, 5-second there's another one, another one. There's another 5-second. Watch it. This is incredible to see this live. This is so fucking cool. Gonna be this one to me. Watch, it's gonna do it again. It's gonna form another 5-second buy. Look at it. And there's your profit. It's incredible to see this as it's moving live. You can see what's forming. You can see that you're in the middle of this 15-minute buy stop that's formed. There was a 30-minute NAS SPX US 30. I called these live for you, told you to take your demo trade money, and watch what happens. This is again, just keep watching. These are 5-second sells, 5-second sells. We're on the 5-second chart because I wanted to zoom in and show you what it looked like on the thing. It was really cool. The FOMC open. So we're playing this back. These are unedited live. These were sent out by email. I couldn't take them back if I wanted. I couldn't change them back if I wanted. This is a Discord message that went out. You couldn't take this back or change it. It would say edited. So these are unedited, um, different signals. This is your profit if you would have took them. That's negative. Let's just go ahead and see who was right, though, me or the lies of FOMC. So here's another buy stop, 5-second to the blue line. That'd have been easy money. We could have took that trade. Fill in the gap. There you go. Forming a higher time frame buy right here. Again, if you look at my crosshairs on each one, this is probably forming another 5-minute buy stop, what you just saw right there. Now it's gonna start to flip around. Here's a 5-second buy. Another 5-second buy, green, 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 red, green, 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 red, buy, buy, green, 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 red, buy, 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 green, 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 red, buy, buy, buy again. Just keeps repeating that pattern just so you can see this live. And you're about to see if these signals are if I was correct or not. Watch. Again, this is about a 30-second buy right here. That's a fill in the gap, 1-second buy. This is a 5-second fill in the gap buy. There's an actual green, 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 red. This is so cool to see this live. Buy, fill in the gap, buy again, fill in the gap again and again and again. Look at it. Can't say it doesn't work. Keeps repeating itself over and over. Look at those buys, how many times you could have re-entered. Here's another one. 5-second buy. This is gonna be about a 15-second buy right there. Over and over again, it's repeating its pattern. Look how fucking cool this is. Look at it. Green, 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 red, buy, buy. You could enter it in this so many times. Another 5-second, another 5-second buy, another 5-second buy. If I played this back on all of these, you'd have hundreds of entries you could have made after my signal callouts. Now let's look how wise the signal callout I made was. Look at it. Buy, buy, buy. Look at it. It's gonna form another one. What you guys used to call consolidation, which you said, "Oh, it's just going sideways in the market." It's just going over to touch the orange line and go up again, touch the orange line and go up again, touch the orange line and go up again. Form our logo, form our logo, form our logo, form our logo. Look at your money now. These are from free signals that I gave out to you all. Free signals, free signals. Crazy. Look at your money. These were sent out by email and in the Discord. Over 2,000 people received these signals. Demo only. There's another buy, by the way. Look at it. These are just 5 seconds you're seeing here. These are 15-minute and technically 30-minute. This also didn't just work on NAS, it also did the same thing on US 30 and SPX. This is literally I gave you free signals to make free demo money during FOMC yesterday. Gonna be the one. This is just incredible to me. I know some of you get bored, but I don't. Once we're done with this, what is it? Gonna be the one. Gonna be the one. We'll see. All right. Oh, anywho, it's forming more and more as we go. And every time you see it dip down red and it's moving over here, I can span this a little bit, I guess, for you guys. Every time you see over here on the left, any kind of red on it, all it's doing is moving over, forming our logo, touching and coming back up, touching and coming back up. So every time you see one of these things go to red, you know that's a buy stop right there. It'll go up. So every time, and then when you see it come over to touch it, then it shoots up. That's the difference. So right here, you're gonna see this 5-second buy again. Look, this would be about 30-second buy right here. And then it just see how it shoots up, and then it goes, touches our 15-minute line in this case, pop. See right here, it did it again, popped. It went right up again. So as you're watching this live, um, as you're watching this live, what you see, it's just stunning. Look at this. See how the green, 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 red, you know, green, 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 red, green, green. It's just over and over and over again, even on the 5-second level. Look, now it's gonna start to dip down, and it's gonna be what you used to call like, sideways moving. It's not. It's just looking over to touch, and go up again, hooking over to touch and go up again. I can't stress that enough. It's just amazing what you're seeing. And of course, look at your money, and you can re-enter it at least 50 times already, maybe more. I know some of you think this is boring. I don't. I think this is incredible. Seeing the system move. So watch. Now it's gonna shoot up a little bit. It's gonna finish this little shoot's too far away. It's gotta come back down now. I believe we're on this step right here. We are. It's gotta come back down now. Watch. I'll zoom in some more for you to show you. Watch where I am on here is where you're at over here. Now you're gonna see some cells kick in. It's gonna move down over to here. By the time it touches this orange line right here, it's going to flip. So watch where I'm at. I'm looking ahead now, watch. Right where my car crosshairs are on the right, when it comes over to this point, you see how you see those green, buy stops forming? Almost ready to roll. Give it just a few seconds here. It's going to yeah, and there she rolls. Now you're gonna see the up. Boom, see it pop up, 5-second buy. It came over, formed our logo, touched this line, watch. We have a buy stop logo. Look at it. So no longer do you have to think, "Oh, it's rand" look, touched, poof, touch, poof. It's like skipping off of water off of a top of a rock. So it's kind of it's not kind of cool, it's really cool you guys can see this. Look, this over here will be my crosshairs over here, watch. See how it is? We're waiting for it to form the logo again. It's gonna start to yeah, it's gonna start to come down now. Coming back down, watch, to our orange EMA line. See the cells, see the cells, see the cells? Bop, bop, bop. So not only are you playing a blue line, but you can play the orange line also, and then you're about to see some buy stops kick in again. Watch. You're gonna see down here green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, 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 and you're gonna see things price up. See how it shoots up again? Green, green, green. It's just and keep going up. You'll see some more formed again and again. Scooch this over a little bit, and we're almost done. Yay. Oh, by the way, this is our money. We entered in cares about the money, what you wanna care about were the 2 calls I gave you for free, the 2 signals I gave you for free yesterday correct or not? Look at it go up, and by the way, it's still going up as we speak. And again, I know this is a long one. I know a lot of you are like, "Oh, this is bor" I don't give a fuck. If it's boring to you, you can just leave. It's exciting. It's thrilling to see how your logo is formed live over and over and over again. How these buy stops kick in for you over and over and over again. How the money compounds when you let it run over and over and over again. Boop, and there we go. Let's see how we did. 100% win rate. There's your money, but that doesn't matter. 100% win rate on the 2 signals I gave you yesterday. This is your best trade. But there you go. That's what it looks like to see playback. Now again, we can do that on the 10-second, 15-second, and so on. You guys get the idea. So what I'm gonna do for you is, from the time I made these call outs, I'm gonna show you what they look like, for instance, on a 30-minute. Yeah, I told you. Here we go. There you go, okay. So a lot of you are gonna know what these are, but we're gonna go over it anyways. Alright, let's see, do we still have anybody here? 25 people watching. You're the best coach. Thank you for everything. Great, Larry. Appreciate that, sir. Thank you for joining me on TikTok over there. And it's my time. It's my time. Now or never. Okay. Now, that I enjoyed that, you guys hated it, but again, that's not about your lives. Trying to help you. I'm teaching you a lesson on that one. So this is now 30-minute buy stops. You can clearly see my calls on these 30-minute buy stops. My call lines are these purple lines right here. This one and this one. And then this is your buy stops. At a specific point where I called them, they happen to be, if you can see this, it's so fucking crazy. I happen to call these, right, on 15-second, 30-second buys using this 30-minute. Look, you caught the entire candle here, and you were in before this candle here. Isn't that stunningly accurate, the 2 calls I made out yesterday? Oh, this is golden. This is a W, how it looks with your, green, 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 red, little green in the middle, then green, 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 red again. That's a W right there for you. Not that some people play those, but that's just what that looks like. Alright. So FOMC, I called before the big movement. I called it after the big movement twice. So some of you that can't say you can't trade the news are just silly. Once you learn the system, you can trade any news at any time. Larry, that was some good shit. Thanks, Larry. I agree. I think that was some really good shit. Now watch. You guys, this is you guys can trade raw. You can 100% trade a chart, and this is exactly what it will look like. This is exactly the chart. Do I wanna take this down? Yes. This is what your chart would look like with nothing. So let's take a look. I should let you guys play this game. Up or down game. Is it gonna go up or down based on any other signals, any other, indicators, or just plain guessing? No one knows. No one knows. No one know now these are railroad cars. Someone might say, "Oh, this is gonna reverse and go up." Yep, okay, then what's this? There's no railroad cars there. Nothing there. This is a I don't even know what the fuck this is. Like, you can't too subjective with Head& and Shoulder. You can't say it's a Head& and Shoulder or not. So, anywho, no one in their right mind would have said that, period. So, there's nothing for them to know. You can't know it. There's nothing for you to see. If you guessed right here on the raw chart like every one of us started with, you would have been wrong. 99% of the time, you would have been wrong. You could have tried these other indicators, said, "Oh, I'm gonna try all these technical indicators." AI did. They don't. That's why we have 2,000 people in the system or signed up or whatever. 2,000 people involved with over 2,000 people involved with this. And no, none auto fit extensions. It's supposed to be technical. Wow. The pitchfork, yeah, right. You ever see the pitchfork? Good luck. Now the awesome oscillator I tried, good luck on that. You can try all these other indicators, they'll fail you 99% of the time, period. They just will. There's nothing to alert you of anything. 0. Nothing. You can look at this raw chart right here and tell me nothing. 0. You didn't know. You didn't know this is gonna go up. You had no clue of this. They jerked it down. You probably thought it was going to go down. Just nothing. Anyone wants to come on and try to argue that with me and do a Fibonacci right here and tell me that this was gonna go up to where it did, you couldn't. The fib retracement wouldn't work right here. So if none of this works, then what? Well, then how about you buy the system, install the system, Oh no, I did it too far. I did too many movements. I got to apply it. Damn. Install the indicators. And then when you look at this, you can see patterns. And what you see is right inside of here is a certain pattern, and it's repeated here. So this is a buy stop pattern. So if you can't see the future, but the indicators show you a pattern inside this blue box right here, rectangle, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Now, of course, we have some sniper action, other things going on here. That's what it looks like. Then it repeats itself right here again, right there. You can see it, the same exact pattern, green, 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 red. With a broken Bach, even better, this is the time it's gonna shoot up even more. So watch what happens. And there it goes, and you're in this buy right now. Both these were called out by me, free of charge to you guys. There's your 2 buys right here. This right here with that purple line, so I told you to take the buy right before it arched up. Then I sent out a Discord to the people in the Discord that are paying for the signals, sent out another signal, and there it went up. So again, it showed this exact same pattern on NAS. This is NAS, this is SPX, and this is US 30. All 3 of them, as always, do the same thing, and that's what we did. Here's US 30 for you. The exact same patterns, 30-minute buy, 30-minute buy. Here it is. I'll shrink this so you can see. There it is on NAS, 2 of them. There's green, 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 red, green, 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 red, buy. Green, 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 red again. This is SPX. 2 of them. I sent you out both notices for you to see. Free to trade demo. If you'd have listened, we're probably well over 700 pips right now. There you go. Let me go ahead and take this one down for you. Take this one down for you. Doop. Okay. Well, have any questions before I get into a thorough explanation of this? Anyone have any questions, concerns, or comments? Please ask now. Because then I'm going to do a deep, deep dive in why these trades were called, how they were called, down to like 20, 30 different reasons why these were called. Gonna be the one. If there's any questions before I get started, I suggest you ask them now. Gonna be the one. Bye, bye, bye. I am a little concerned on one of our members. Well, let me see if I can move this to the right. Give me just a second. Yeah, good. Now we have more. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Okay, no questions from anybody. All right, here we go. This is how I always look at my charts. I look at the weekly on the left, daily on the right, and I see what's going to happen prior to anything happening. So, what do I do? Let's take a look. Oh, and let me see something too before I get too far along. I have a question myself. I want to see. Okay, so none done. I want to see tier three daily. NAS is a buy daily. Why did someone September 6th, the signal service did not call a sell. Why did someone say that there was a sell? Ho, 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 ho. What is there isn't a sell. Copy. Weekly, daily. Someone in the Discord misspoke. There isn't a sell. Hold on. I don't let anything slide. God bless. 700 pips. Where was it? Um, hmm. Let's see. Do not sniper. I don't think it was sniper chat. Hold on. About me calling it before. No, no, no. Someone called out they were gonna look for a sell stop on a daily, and that made no sense. And I need to correct that person because that was just a silly call. I'm not sure why he's looking for a sell there, but that's different. Is this it? Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to get with Shiraz on that one. No. Yeah, it might have been in here. Hold on a second. No. Oh. Alright, well, if anyone saw where that someone posted in there about a daily sell stop, let me know because I could have swore it was right here. Yeah, there was no signal call out for a daily sell on NAS. I'm looking directly at it, so damn, I don't know where that was, though. It's hard to keep track of everything, everybody. Look at everybody making money, and this is just I really wanna go over this with them. I hope LT sees this. I am so proud of the way he did this. I started off the show with this one. Just amazing, his analysis. Almost near perfect with this analysis. I couldn't be more proud of him. We're gonna do that right now, actually. Gonna be the one. Alright. So this is what I look at. If I was gonna look at, the 3 signals, the 3 indexes, SPX, NAS, and US 30 that we trade as one. I'd be looking that the weekly was this is it. We're about to get started, so everyone just, hang on to your little hats, 'cause this is gonna get pretty deep for you. Alright, let's go right here, and this is what we're seeing. You guys need to start taking pictures on it. Alright, I'm gonna go over how to do it. They're both the same, doesn't matter. Alright. Now watch. Watch and learn, my young Padawans, watch. This is the only thing that matters. I look right here. This is the very first thing I do. I'll pull up weekly dailies on every chart. Blue line high, pink line low. This is live. Then I come over to here. This is exactly what I did with you guys yesterday. Is the blue line low? It is. And this is there a buy stop? Which there is. Let's look in the exact areas we're talking about right into here. You know what? Let's go ahead and close that off for a second. Right into here, we're looking. Right here, we're looking. If we look inside those 2, we're gonna see blue line low, pink line blue line high, pink line low, blue line low, and a buy stop. This is all that matters. These 4 take a picture of this. If you do the weekly dailies, what you should do, or if you do a daily 4-hour, which you should do, or a daily 1-hour, which you should do, or a 1-hour 15-minute, which you should do, this is your buy setup. If you don't have the sniper, I should strongly suggest you get it. It's $250 a month extra, but you don't have to get it. I'm just telling you what I would do. Look at it. This is what you need. This right here is your setup. 7 I don't even know if anyone's still awake at this point. 7s, if you guys understand this. This is your setup. Thank you, Trade Gun. Just take a picture of it, print it out, put it as your screensaver, put it on your wall of your bathroom mirror, put it on your car's rear view mirror. This is this is all you need to see in order to do any this if you see this, you make money. By the way, this is gonna go up a lot right here. If you see this, you make money, period. You can clearly see we're on NAS weekly daily. If I go to SPX weekly daily, you'll see the exact same blue line high, pink line low, blue line low. There's a buy stop. This is a fill in the gap. This is a buy stop straight up, but that's it. They're all exactly the same. Hey, there's a couple people still awake. Alright. What's up, Hayden? So this is what I saw yesterday. Let's take a look. Exactly what I saw yesterday before anything happened. Let's take a look and see. Before any movement yesterday. This is what I saw. I saw a fill in the gap. I saw red. I saw my blue line high, pink low, all these things. So if these 4 reasons, 1, 2, and 3 are the sniper, those are the most important. If it says number 1, it's the most important thing on this chart. These charts that you see, abso-100% this is number 1. If I see this weekly hold on one second. You'll see. I can't wait for TikTok to get theirs. Okay, where were we? Um, if it's number 1, it's there for a reason. Number 2, it's there for a reason. This is what we're looking at right inside this little rectangle blue space right here.
Pink low, blue high, blue low. I can move this over a little bit because I have a feeling some of you are right there. There's a blue line low right here. And then is there a green, 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 red buy stop? When I see this, it's all in the trade. First time that happens the best, which we'll get into later, but that's it. If you want more confirmations, okay? So if you want more confirmations that this is a buy, watch what you have. First and foremost, logo started over, came over hooked, came over hooked, and went up. That is our green buy stop logo. If you look enough over here, I don't wanna squeeze it in too much, but there is a lower start, hooked, came over, and it's there. Trust me, it's a daily, it's easy to see. So these are our logos. What is our logo? I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can scooshy this over. Yeah, right there. There's our logo. Hey, does it look kinda like that? No, not really. This is our logo, right here. Green up, which is kinda what I'm trying to draw there, and red down. Okay? So if we have this, which we do on both, you can only do buys, you can't do sells. So with this setup, you can't look for a sell. Weekly chart on the left, NAS, daily chart on the right. Each candle that you see isn't real, but each candle represents a week on the left and a day on the right. But I'm used to trading 30 seconds. It applies to that too, but you're really just doing gambling silliness to do that. Okay. So we have these 2 reasons. Now we have reasons 5 and 6 to take this trade. So this is our logo, and then 1, 2, sniper, blue line high, pink, low, blue low, and the buy stop. Now watch. If you come over to here, you're going to see our actual candles themselves turn to green. So here is our 7th reason, and let's see if they also turn to green over here. By George, they did. If you can see, they were green here by the time you saw them. Yes, they were green here. Candles green here. There's 8. What else do we have to make in our arsenal of winningness? We can clearly see there is a color change line here. It went from red to green, and then it's yellow and orange is above. So this is another huge reason to take this trade. Orange is above, and then there is a candle color change right here. And at the time, you can see these 2 lines here. See them? Right here and right here, they're green. These are called your Bach lines. There's another 2 reasons to take the trade. The Bach lines are green. And then if we come over to here, can we possibly see in this little tiny mess of doom that there is an orange line, not above, but it hooked underneath, which is perfect because it's lined up with our broken Bach. And I'm gonna pause here for a second so you guys can see something. The broken Bach is so fucking amazing. When you see this change colors from like you could right here, it went from green to red, and you see that these Bach lines stayed green right here, green, green. This went to red, and this stayed green. This is called a broken Bach versus a non-broken Bach. When you see this on the weekly, daily, this is worth a million different yeses. So technically, it's not just 2. I'll go ahead and put down a few more than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 here, and there's really a million reasons. This is next to the 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern, this is the most important thing you can see. 7s, if you guys understand that, 9s if you don't. What's up, Kenny J? We're going out why I made call outs that there was gonna be a buy before FOMC happened, and afterwards, how it went through it. Okay. So now we're up to 16 reasons, really 1,016,000 reasons, but we'll just keep it at 16. Now, We also have our green color change over here, by the way, so let's be clear. The line switched from red over down here to green, so that's another reason. So we're up to 17 reasons. Now, this is perhaps the coolest thing. Look right here. Remember that? Let me make that a little smaller. Look right here. This red histogram bars that you see right here, zoop, come over to here and fit right into this space. What space is it? Well, there is a green histogram bars, a black space in yellow. You can see it clearly here, signal line. When the green come up, they'll close this off, price will go up, it'll close if you only have this. That's how you can get out of your first trade, your first take profit, right there. But this puzzle piece, this red, fits inside of this space. This fits into there. Totally unbelievable when I found that out. I thought it was the fucking coolest thing ever. So we have a space, it's called fill in the gap, here and here, and then we have the green, which green means up in a business, our business, trading. Green means up, red means down. We have green histogram bars right inside of here, so this is another reason. I suggest you guys mark out your charts when you're doing weekly. I suggest you mark out your charts every time you do a trade, just like this. Who did this? Let's be clear. One of our members did this. There he is, LT. There's LT's chart. You can't see it. Let's clear all this off of there. Here's LT marking up his chart. I'm gonna make this a rule that you guys mark up your charts before you take any trade, just like he did. Amazing, LT. So proud of you. All right. So we have green histogram bars right here. And then these little bars right here, these little bars, these little, yeah, well, they are bars. This top one is called real direction bar 1, 2, and 3. And they're also over here 1, 2, and 3. So let's be clear on that. We have an additional 3 right here. 1, 2. Oh, that wasn't good. Hold on a second. I'm gonna have to do that. What number were we up to? 20. Let me pounce these things out here for a second, and then we'll get to 20. Let me place them on top of each other. I hate when I overdo this thing like that. I shouldn't have did it. So this will be 21 on the top. Right here, 21, 22, 23. We come over here, the 3 real direction bars, 24, 25, 26 reasons. Now we come down here. We also have the pink and blue down here on our sniper. We also have the pink and blue down here joining us on our sniper on this one. So now we're up to 30 reasons. And that's about good. I think that's all of them that we can count at this point. So we're up to 30 reasons. Now we have 30 reasons on NAS. We have 30 reasons on SPX, and we have 30 reasons on US 30. So now we're up to 90 reasons to take the buy stop on 90 reasons. I kind of skimmed over that. We trade US 30 and NAS and SPX as one. If we have 30 on NAS, we have 30 on SPX, and we have 30 on US 30. So now you're up to 90 reasons to take this trade on NAS, to take this trade on SPX, to take this buy stop. Does everyone understand that? Yes or no? You have 90 reasons to take a buy stop on the weekly, daily before FOMC happened and after FOMC happened. 90 reasons. Thank you, Trade Gun. Is that how many freaking reasons do you need to take a trade? How many reasons do you need to take a trade? Is 90 enough? Is 90 enough? Is 90 getting absurd? This is 90 reasons before FOMC was ever announced. Oh, well, did you know the interest I didn't care if the interest rates go up or down. I don't care. Let me be as clearly as I don't care what interest rates do. I don't care what FOMC said. I don't care what the The Federal Reserve's it doesn't matter. The system called out a buy stop before FOMC. I called out the buy stop before FOMC. I called out buy stops after FOMC for you to make money. I don't care. More than enough, says Grant. I agree with Grant. It's crazy amount of reasons. 90 reasons to take the buy. Let's see what happened. We have price action. Let me go over here to my drawing tools on this one. Hold on. We have price action was here. So this is our movement here. It came down, came up, and it's going up. So we're in profit. Stop loss could have been put here. Your entry would have been on the lowest line possible, which would have been here. And on NAS itself, you would have made a shit ton of money alone. Okay, let me take these off of here for a second. Let me undo those. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, so watch. This is going to be NAS itself. You'd have gotten in here on the orange line or the yellow. I'll show you both. You could have been in here and made 800 pips, or you could have been in here on the yellow line and made 600 pips. Either way, you'd be 600 pips, which is dollars. If you'd put a .01, that'd have been $600 on NAS you would have made on the trade. And if you guys don't know, 600 pips on any symbol is psychotically good. I mean, most people try to get 10 people in a day if they call themselves professional traders, which there really is none. 600 pips is insanely good on NAS. Insanely good. All right? If you would have also taken the trade on SPX, you would have made, lowest line possible, which is here. You'd have made oh my god, even better, 200 over 200 pips on SPX, which is legendary, or if you'd have got in on the orange line over here, it still would almost been 200. That's crazy. If you go over to US 30, your entrance would have been on this orange right here into here, 1,200 pips on a buy. That's insane. That's all I can tell you. So you're over 2,000 pips on these buys that I just explained to you and was calling out forever for you to take. For weeks and weeks and weeks, I've been telling you to take these buys, take these buys, take these buys. Now there's some good news. Good news. Good news, bad news. NAS and SPX have a long way to still go up. Good news. Bad news is US 30 doesn't. So let's take a look. Oops, I don't wanna do that. Right here, we're gonna wait until this pink line comes up to the blue. This is my official call for SPX and NAS until otherwise noted. You're gonna do any buy stops you can find from 5 seconds to daily till this weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue like it did here. It'll move. When it does, price will go up. It's already gone up insanely, and we haven't even started the uptick yet. You can see on the daily it has started. You can also see on the daily, it kinda looks like a W, doesn't it? But at any rate, so there you go. So this will fall down. Let me be specific to you. You're going to see price action. You're going to see price come down soon. It's gonna come down. Boop, boop, it's gonna move down. When it does, it's gonna create buying opportunities on the daily, 12-hour, 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. So as price comes down, you're gonna see buy stops form along all of these, meaning you can get in the trade again, okay? And it doesn't matter whether it's SPX or NAS, that's how I'd be looking at these. Look at how gorgeous this is. Alright? So watch. This is the last time it happened. I'm gonna mark it for you. We're gonna look at NAS. We did this on gold the other day. Right here, okay? See, by the way, whenever you used to hear this, and I used to hear this all the time, I used to believe it, um, you can't catch a falling star, but we do know where the bottom is when we have our weekly dailies open, or your daily 4 hours open, or your 1 hour, 15 minutes open. Pink line high, blue line low. No one can project the future, and then this is the thing, this is your buy stop right here with the blue. When the pink crosses it, that's your entry. When the purple comes up, you can also that's when you're finally gonna be for sure into that trade, and that's what the 2 lines are for. So again, let's look right here. We literally have and I'm gonna move these over for you. We literally have these 30 reasons times 3, so we have 90 reasons to take the trade. But let's look at these reasons. Watch this, shall we? Right here, you can't see the future. Right here, you can't see the future, but the signals can. My indicators and the signal service can see the future, and I'll show you how. Look. This is what we're looking at. This is NAS weekly on the left, NAS daily on the right. This is the very last time this happened to us. We have blue line high, pink line low, green, 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 fill in the gap. As this pink line comes up, as this pink line comes up, you're gonna see lots of buy opportunities. So I'm gonna go over those with you so you can laugh your ass off. We're gonna go over here. So the first buy opportunity we have is right here when it's green, 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 red with the pink crossing the blue. This is our first entry. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our playback feature, maybe. Where the hell is it? Oops, we gotta turn that off, don't we? There we go. There's our playback feature. Doop. Let's go back to here and watch. We don't even need this one anymore because we're taking that away. Okay. So our first playback that we're gonna see is right here. You can clearly see this is where it crosses. This is where the, signal service, if we open it up right here on the daily oops, not hourly, weekly. There we go. So our signals to be clear, by the way, some of you are a little confused on this, by the way. I I'm saying by the way a lot this morning. All 30 of these reasons, all 30 of these indicators that come with the system are shoved into this tiny little living space right here, into this signal line. We have a signal service, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, all that good stuff. We have a signal service right here, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 that sends out signals on the regular. Crazy amount, crazy amount. Watch. 50 plus since September 18th, 2 days ago 1 day ago. 50 plus since 1 day ago. Signals, all exceptionally accurate. So these signals are sent in here, and you can get these if you want, but at any rate, it's all of these reasons, all of these indicators that are on the system are coded by the great Keith Palmer to fit inside of one of these lines. So this is your first reason to take it. So you'd have 1 buy. So let's go ahead and draw these out. Let's make this this. Let's make this orange, sure. We have the daily will be a buy. As this comes up from here to here, there's 1 reason to take it, and that's called a daily buy stop. So we're at 1. Let me go ahead and mark this right here. Do I wanna do that? Hold on. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so this is what we're looking at, and this is what we can't see the future. But we do know there's a daily buy stop called out, and we do know that it's 100% accurate because it's also coded. And there's the reason, there's our signal, there it is, weekly, daily are matching, we match it up, we're golden. So now our signal service correctly called out 1 buy on the daily. But as I told you, as this pink line goes from here to here on the weekly sniper, you're gonna see more entrances. Let's take a look. Let's go down to the 4-hour, okay? And let's play back the 4-hour and see exactly how many, uh, I don't know if we're there or not. 3 times, yeah. Watch. We're gonna see if any 4-hour buy stops form on the way up. Let's take a look at that live, shall we? We're gonna watch it, and we're gonna wait. Now, these are weekly, so it's gonna take a while, but we're gonna see if there's any 4 hours that form. That's all. I might have to speed this up for you guys. That is a little slow. Okay, there is already. There's a fill in the gap one right here. Right here is a perfect entry, fill in the gap, but I'm not gonna count that, so we'll see. Let's see, we have 1 daily buy as this goes up. We're going to see if we can get a 4-hour buy. Yep, looks like there's one forming here. So now we have green, 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 red. This is our second entry. Now we're up to 2. We have 1 daily, and now we have 1 4-hour. In case you missed the daily, you can always take the 4-hour later, you see it? Let's keep going. And of course, that goes up and makes a shit ton of money. Do we have any more 4 hours forming? We're on the 4-hour on the right on NAS, watching this go oh, there's another one, there's another one. So now we have 2. Let's go over to here again. Now we have another one. So we have 1 daily, 2 4 hours. Nice. Let's see where we're at with our little thing going up. Oh, we're done, okay. Let's go back now. We're gonna change this to a 1 hour, and we're gonna come back, and we're gonna play it back again. So there's no mistaking this, there's no faking this, this is live playback feature, you can't fake it. We're gonna see how many of these things, come true and make us fucking money. Watch. So from this point forward, we're at the very base of our pink sniper line. This is how important the sniper is. We're gonna see if there's any more buy stops forming from here. Let's take a look. This is the hourly. Nope. Yes, there is right there. It broke it. You guys wouldn't know what that is, so I'll wait. But that is a buy stop right there, hourly. Here it is again. I'm gonna count this one because I believe we're yeah, we are. This is an hourly buy stop 1. You'd have entered this because they were all green there, so I'm gonna give us another check mark here. So in case you missed the daily, in case you missed the 4-hour, now we're doing 1-hour buys. Okay, let's go ahead and play that back some more. Zip that open a little bit. Is this not the coolest fucking shit you've ever seen? Can't doubt the system when it's being played back for your live. By the way, that's another buy right there. So now we're up to 1 daily, 2 4 hours, and 2, um, 1 hours. We're on a 1-hour playback watching it come up. Yep. Let's see if it does it again. You can clearly see this is where we're at on the sniper coming up. It did it again right there. Sorry, I missed it. There's another one right there. Another buy stop. So now we're up to 6 entries off this one trade. Here we go. We're gonna look at it again. Oh, there it goes again. Here's another 1-hour buy stop again. And yes, what you will see eventually when I show you is when we flip on the daily hourly, you'll start seeing the buy stops again on those, but we have to go down to there, so I'll show you that in a second, not right now. Alright, let's keep playing it back. There's more money, by the way. There's a fill in the gap, by the way. Another fill in the gap, by the way. Here's another buy. Whoops, we'll stop. Here's another buy stop again. We're gonna give us another little tally ho. There we go. So now we're up to 8 different entrances on the trade. There it is again. You can see it again clearly. Another buy stop right here. So now we're gonna mark it again. Another entry for our trade. We're up to 9. Let's play it back again. I love when I come on early, I don't have to rush through anything with you guys. Let's see if it does it again for you. Yep. Nope, this is not one yet. Sorry, I jumped it, but we're still in the 1. Look at how good it did, by the way. There we go. There's another one you can clearly see. Let me zoom that out. You might have trouble seeing. Right here, you can clearly see green, 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 red. So this is another one. Now we're up to 10 entrances from daily. If you miss the daily, you can take 4 hour. If you missed the 4-hour a couple times, you can take the 1 hours. There we go. We're still not quite to the top, so we're still gonna keep going. See if there's any more. Nope, fill in the gap. Nope. Might be getting close to the end here. Let me see. Nope, we still have a little bit more. Nope, that was a fill in the gap one, and it did great, but that's it. Okay. So that's all we're gonna count. So that was our hourly. Uh, Good morning, Orlando. Blessed morning to you too. Tier 1 gets, 10 signals, an additional Holy Grail. You get, like, 10 almost Holy Grail, 10 Holy Grails if they form, 10 Ricky Bobby trades, and 10 tier 1 signals. So take that for how many ever you get. That's a pretty good amount. Alright, so we're playing this back. This is the weekly NAS. So far, we've gone through hourly, the weekly I'm sorry, weekly daily has produced for us the weekly daily has produced for us 1 buy. The daily 4-hour has produced for us, 2 buys, and the 1 hour has produced for us 8 buys. Okay, so now we're gonna go down to the 15-minute and see how many 15-minute buys there are. Too fucking cool. So here we are. We're gonna move this to a 15-minute. Let's see how many buys we have from here. Fucking incredible. Let's see. There it is. All right, so we're gonna take our playback so you can say that there's no anything. It takes us back to here. This is live playback feature from TradingView. Unbelievably accurate. It's exactly how the bars formed, actually. We can go and dive in there another day if you want. So now we're up to 10 entrances. If you missed the daily, you could took 4 hours. If you missed the 4 hour, you could took 1 hour. If you missed the 1 hour, you could took 15-minuters. Let's see how many 15-minute buy stops there are. Let's take a look. And all we're doing is playing up from this pink to this blue on the sniper. And again, someone in the Discord said the sniper might be the most, significant discovery in the history of man over the last 100 years. And I'm not willing to argue with that. Here you go. This is a 15-minute buy stop right here. Perfect pink crossing, green, 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 red. Yep, this is absolutely perfection. This is another one right here. Let's see if we win. Of course, we will, but here we go. These little things are the number of entrances you could have made with my system. Here you go. We're gonna do it again. Actually, there's another one here. There's another buy stop here, so you can make another entrance right there. You might not like some of these, but the rules are the rules. You should follow them. There's your buy stop right there. We're gonna hold these trades until the pink comes up to the blue, so let's keep on playing it back. We're gonna wait, wait, and wait. Nope, nothing yet. Let's keep going there. Nothing there. Here's some more coming up soon. 15-minute buy right here. You can let me zoom that out a little because that does look a little tight for you. There, let me move this up a little, and let's see if we can spread this out a little bit. So you guys can start seeing a little more of the action right there. Okay, there you go. All right, so this is a buy stop. Pink cross the blue would have been your entry back there. Here's another one right here. We have to put another tally-ho. There you go. So now we're doing 15-minuters. We're up to 3 of them, and we got a long ways to go. I might just keep it playing. Look at it shoot up and rocket up. We're waiting right here. You can clearly see my crosshairs are on the weekly on the left. There's another one. I'm gonna have to pause these. Holy shit. There was 3 of them right there. Holy fuck. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's keep on going. I was gonna try to let it roll, but that was just too fast. There's another. Okay, this is a broken one, but the reality is we still have to take that trade if we're gonna follow everything we're doing. So there is another one right here. Let's see where we're at with everything. Oh, yeah, we're perfection. Watch this. Okay. And we're looking at 15-minute buys now. Look at that shit. All right, we're gonna wait, and we're gonna wait. Nothing yet. Can't count that one. We're not fully green yet. Here we go. We'll start counting stuff from here. Here's another one right here, another buy, another mark, little check mark right here. Oops, that's not quite what we wanted. Right here. So that's another 15-minute entry. Let's see if it does it again. Look at that beautiful entry. Gorgeous. Boom, you can already see it. Now we have another one to check in. Zoop. There she goes up again. Let's see if it gives us another one. Where are we at with our little we're still on the bottom. Holy shit. Okay, there's 2 more. There's 2 more 15 minutes you could have taken. So now we're up to 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Whole and we're still on the fucking bottom. Look at how much money you're about to make. This is insane. Watch, there's another one right here. Take that one now. Holy this is gonna take forever, but I don't care. We have time. I don't give 2 fucks. This is absolutely the best training you're ever gonna have right here. Another one right here. Wow. And you guys tell me you can't trade the system. Watch. Here it comes. Another one. By the way, I'm not gonna count it because the real direction bar 1 isn't there. Look at this shit. This is a 1-hour buy right there, actually. There's another 15-minute right there. Here's another 15-minute right there. If I'm taking the time to write something down and show you what it's doing and show you over and over again, you might wanna pay attention to what I'm saying right now and not be too bored. There's another buy stop right there. This is insane. Have we gotten off the bottom yet? No, we haven't even started to come up yet. So all of these 15 buy stops on the 15-minute or the 15 times it's been called are all gonna be hugely profitable for you, hugely. Hasn't even started moving up yet. This is crazy. Fill in the gap. Oop, there's one right here. Another one you could have taken. And we haven't even moved up. Are you guys getting the idea? It's just now gonna start to break up. Holy shit. This is insane. Let's see if there's another right here. I highly recommend you rewatch this video 1,000 times until you understand the system. Look at it go up. It's gonna do it again. Yep, there it is again. It's just starting, guys. Look at all this money you're gonna make. You'd have You would literally have 20 eventually, 5, 10, 15. We'll be at 20 easy, 20 different 15-minute entrances to make while the pink line was still low. There was another one there, I didn't count that one. And here it comes again. We hit it. Yes, we hit it. Another 15-minute buy stop, and I think we're just starting to come up now. Yeah, just starting to oh my gosh. Tell me another time, another buy. There it is again. Tell me you can't make money with the system, and I call you a liar. Look at this shit. Here it comes again. I gotta wait for the real direction bar to turn red, though. Here it is. It's gonna come again right here. There you go. There it is again, and we're about to see another one, so I'm gonna mark 2 more. Again, we're playing back the weekly daily, the weekly 4-hour, the weekly 1 hour, the weekly 15 minutes. I'm not gonna do the 5-minute, 1 minute, 30 sec oh my god, we'd be here for fucking 10 years, and you'd have 10,000 trades to make. I think this might be smashing through some of your thick skulls, though, and helping you. There you go. This is another time, right here. Are we even up to the top? No. This is gonna boom. All these you had 1 daily, 2 4 hours, um, 8 1 hours, 5 10 15 20. You're gonna have 25 15-minute buys to make, and you still haven't even started to make your money yet. There's another one, by the way, that has to be counted. Hold on. Here's another one. This is insanity. Is anyone seeing the massive potential? You could have entered 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 times and made money just off the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hours dailies, and you guys are bored? Fuck you. Holy shit. This should be the most thrilling training you've ever seen in your life. Look at it again. This is insane. All of these trades are gonna make staggering amounts of money. Staggering amount. It hasn't even gone up yet. Look at this. Look what you're witnessing. This is history in the making. This is impossibly good. This is insanely powerful. You could have made trade after and compounded these and let them run, and they're just now beginning to go up. Okay, have your 2 fill in the gap. We could enter there. Here's another one. Really? Is it not to the top yet? Hold on. Are we at the top yet? And no, we're not even close to the top yet. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? How many trades can one system give you? I'm gonna do this from now. I don't care how bored you guys get. This is stunningly amazing what you're witnessing. This is historic what you're witnessing. This is something that's unbelievably good that no one else on earth would ever think is humanly possible. Look at it. Again, another 15-minute buy. What happens when I go down to the 1 minute? How many buy stops are there gonna be at the 1 minute if there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 15 minutes? How many 1 minutes are there gonna be? 100? Look at this shit. Look at how amazing this is. Look, now are we there? Now are we there? No, we're not. Okay, I give. This is too many. Look at them. This is crazy. Y'all should be jumping out of your seats right now with screaming this. Look at this. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. And you guys tell me you can't figure out what to do, I'm done. This is insane. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and we're not even gone up to the pink, to the blue on the sniper. You wanna know how important the sniper is? There it is. There it is. Look at it. All we're doing is taking our weekly from here to here. All we're doing is combining the blue with the buy stops right here, and all we're doing is counting them. We did the weekly daily, 1, then we did the daily 4-hour, 2 more, then we did the daily, 15-minute, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 more. This is insane. You could enter this trade 30 ti well, I don't know how to follow all those rules, Kev. I don't know what to do. Is that right? Is that right? What do you think we have the signal service for? To help you all. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, John. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Tony. I don't know how many people of you stuck with me through this. There's 42 of you? Good. How many people on YouTube are watching? What you're watching is unbelievably fantastic. Does anyone 7 if you guys understand what you're seeing, or 9 if somehow you don't understand how I'm showing you an undefeatable system. I don't know what else to say. When this goes pink line goes from down here to up here on the weekly, there was 1 daily buy stop. There was 2 4-hour buy stops. There was 8 one-hour buy stops, and there was 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 15-minute buy stops. I refuse to go down to the 5-minute, 1 minute, and 15 seconds because there would be hundreds of those. Do you guys understand what you're seeing? This is the most incredible thing you've ever seen. I don't know how else to describe it. You can't say the system has any issues whatsoever. You might say you have issues of trying to read it, but this is just too easy. Hold these trades. You could have done 30 trades and made look, you wanna see how many pips you could have made? I'm just gonna take it from here to here. 30 times, and I can't even see it because the way they stupidly do their shit here. I can't even see it right there. How many is that? Times 16. Whatever. You could have made 30 trades times 1,600 pips. I mean, that's almost to the point of absurdity times a million, but that's what you could have done. All of the trades would have made at least 1,600 pips. 30 trades would have made 1,600 pips. 30 trades would have made 16 over, actually, I don't wanna short myself, but 1,600 pips each. So it's 30 times 1,600, 48,000? What's 30 times 1,600, anybody? Hold on. 30 times 1,600 times 1,600. 48,000. And that's only going to the 15-minute buys. I love this playback feature. I can't believe I never used it before. Or not like this, I should say. Larry Cooper. Thank you, Larry. 48,000. Thank you, Hayden. Thank you, Larry. 48,000 pips on one movement of NAS. But wait, I feel like a good salesman. But wait, the same exact spot right here, SPX did it. But wait, the same exact spot right here, US 30 did it, and it's still doing it, by the way. This one, was a different kind of look to it, but same trade. Look at NAS and SPX, and this is just SPX making you 4,800 pips, and it's about to do it again. This is why I told you the buy stop on FOMC, and you're about to have a 30 more different buy stops about to happen on NAS. You're about to have 30 more different buy stops happen on NAS. SPX, that's what's about to happen for you all, and I've already just called the first ones up for you, and you can hold those trades as long as you can. The last time, how long do we hold the trades for? Roughly speaking, from here, you can have done to there. It was about 12 days. I'm sorry, wait, my bad. Incorrect. That was 12 weeks. So about 10, 12 weeks, you can hold this next trade that you're in on. Oh, I don't know. Some of you are oh, look, some of you left. He's not calling out the damn thing, trades for us right now. I'm not gonna listen to him. Good, get the fuck out of here. I'm not calling out any trades for any of you. All leave. You wanna learn how to trade, stick around. If you wanna be silly people and not, then I don't have any time for you, then just leave. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Look at all the trades. All of those trades can be entered in multiple times, letting them run. Matter of fact, it looks like we have a little is that SPX? We'll have to go over to that one and see. Oh, that's NAS falling. We might have a sell stop on US 30 to call. Oh, I don't wanna call it. Just incredible. Oh, that's superbly he's just talking. None of this is accurate. Okay, let's take that out of there. Look at that. Oh, crazy. And what works on these bigger time frames, your weekly dailies, or let's just say your daily 4 hour, or let's just say your 1 hour, 15-minute. You can also do a 3-minute, I don't know, 5 second. Sure, absolutely you could. I don't go that low with you guys because we don't have it coded, but you can. There is a ricochet NAS sell stop. I can't help myself. 5 second. Oh, Lord. Oh, no shit. Let me see US 30. Yeah, US 30. Sell stop to the 5 second blue line. NAS ricochet to the blue line. SPX, I would be looking for a hard sell on SPX. It's not these aren't gonna be long ones, they're just setting us up to 15, 20, 30-minute, 1-hour buys, but that is I think that NAS is amazing. Yeah, yeah, I'd be looking let me see that one second. It's crazy. Yeah, SPX, 1 second sell stop to the blue line, but I'd play those sell stops to the 5 second blue line. See everyone that left, you didn't get your call. I'll stick around and find out. Alright, so that was a pretty detailed explanation on, how to make the trades with the system, how to look for them. So again, stick at the weekly dailies, go hunting. You know, another one I know that's good is the AUD USD. Yeah, look at it. Oh my look at it, it's almost to the blue line. As I called out the ricochet, this is our logo. This is why I did it. This is a complete test for us to see if you can override the weekly with the daily, and you can because the sniper's doing what it needs to do. This is a sell stop, let me be clear. This is a 100% sell stop on the weekly AUD/USD, but it is a buy stop on the sniper. It is a was a buy stop, but it is a fill in the gap buy stop on the daily. This is your sniper, weekly, daily buy stop right here, pink going up. Told you where's my sell at? Where's my buy at? Look at that trade. Told you, I'm really happy about this one. Oh, yes, very nicely done on this. Gorgeous trade. There it is right here. We're up $1,700. This was a AUD/USD buy. There's my gold also still in that one, but it tapped me out of my NAS and my SPX, like, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 3 or 4 times yesterday, it kept tapping me out. I never had time to go back in. We were busy doing other things yesterday. I couldn't get to it, but whatever. But that odds USA, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. There it goes. That's close enough. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna close that trade down. I'm more than happy with that trade. I wanted to touch the blue line. That would be an out for me. Let me give you an out. Um, fill in the gap right here. You can wait for this, daily to histogram bar to hit the yellow. That's another out. If you have the sniper, you can wait for the pink line to go up to the blue. I only opened up one of these trades because it was a test for me. Also, you can wait for the pink to come up to the blue on the sniper. I'm not, I'm good. That's more than enough money for me. I was just testing this shit out anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade down now. Yay, what a successful little trade. Hey, I had to eat on that for a long time before they, moved it up. It kept going positive, negative, but we're taking that shit. We're out the door. See ya. Okay, so then we're good on that. And that is our AUD trade. Oh, what a great closure. Yes, you can be greedy. Yes, it can stay running, and if I had this is an upward sloping W, by the way, and if I had 2 open, I'd leave 1 open right now, but I only ran 1, so I'm closing that trade down. What a gorgeous trade. Very happy. I got to see the daily overwhelm the weekly. I got to see the fill in the gap as it's supposed to have done. This is just perfection. I'm so happy with this trade. Yay. You go, little trade. Now, if anybody wants me to go over that, I will, but it's quite straight out. Alright. Now, what time is it? Some of us have to go back to bed. Fuck, what time is it over here? Um, I don't even know. I don't think it's 6. It might be, fuck. I can't pull that away either, can I, from my time? Well, anywho. Oh, man, getting close to going. Look how happy that is, so nice. That is absolutely gorgeous to see. In Discord on 9/4, at that time, buy stop AUD/USD until blue line is hit by price action or sniper. Blue line hit by price. Look at this buy. This is called back on 9/4, which is right here. Ha, 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 ha. Damn, boy, that was an ex yeah, look at that call. Look at that. There it is. That's in the Discord where these 2 crossed. That's where it is. You guys would have made, I don't know if I made the full amount. I think I went in right then too, though. Here it is. 161. Yeah, I made 1,700. So I made 170 pips out of a possible probably 170 pips. So there you go. I went in right when I told you. How nice was that trade? Gorgeous. Beautiful trade. Very happy for you guys. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions or YouTube? Matter of fact, I'm gonna head over to YouTube and speak the truth a little bit. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm heading over to YouTube. The YouTube is a safety trade. Anyone all have any questions? I won't be trading open today. What is today? Is it even fucking Thursday? Okay, I'll try to do it tomorrow. All right. This is an excellent training video. I'm gonna rename it. This was an excellent deep dive to show you how NAS forms and SPX and US30, how to trade the weekly, daily, how to trade the daily 1 hours. It was excellent. Oh, what I didn't show you, hold on, let's go back to NAS. Let's go back to NAS and show you a little something, something, shall we? We're gonna go to the 1 hour. We're gonna turn on these ones right here, and we're gonna see, we might have to go down to maybe a 5-minute or maybe a 15-minute, or we'll cut it. Hold on. Let me go back to here and see. All right. Oh, fine. There we go. Okay. So this is your hourly as it's going up. You have all the signals are being called out correctly over and over and over again and over again. If you're seeing any of these orange ones, that just means it's a lower time frame sell, which would be accurate also. Any of the green ones is what you're following until it gets to the top. Fucking incredible. There's some more, some more, some more. And those are your signal services. Yay, on the way up. Perfection.
All right, TikTok, thank you all for being here. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Talk to y'all later. All right, YouTube, any questions on YouTube? Any questions on YouTube? Any questions on YouTube? Please ask now. Now, don't email ask questions. That's the worst thing you can possibly do. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Please don't do that. I won't answer you and you're going to get banned and blocked and stuff. Just ask questions on my lives, please, or look up just for yourself. That'd be a little better. Oh, and I came over here to say that TikTok sucks ass. Fucking horror show. I hate those fuckers. YouTube rules. God bless Pelly. Thank you, Michael, aka Big Pippin. Oh, that's you, Michael. Why the hell you go by Hyden? How am I supposed to know that? I don't know, Harji. I'm not answering. I'm too tired. All right. God bless you all. Thank you all being here from TikTok. Give me some thumbs up, please. By the way, on YouTube, please give me some thumbs up on YouTube. I'd appreciate that. Just all right. God bless you all. Have a great morning. Talk to you all later. Maybe today.